Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here visiting with me today. Today's video is going to be very interesting. I'm going to be doing a first impressions and review on the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. I feel like this foundation has been so controversial, but I've decided to do it just because I wanted personally to try out the foundation for myself and to see how it works. I am such a big fan of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. In my head, I'm thinking if this is as good as the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, oh my gosh, I'm gonna love it. So I am going to be putting it to the test. I'm going to be doing a demo. I'm gonna just be giving you all the information that you need to know about this foundation. Like I said, I know there's been lots of controversy, but despite that, I'm still going to do this review and I'm going to give you my honest thoughts about this product. So if you want to know all about the product, you want to see how it wears, you just want to know everything about it, keep on watching and I'll get you informed. So this is the Double Duty Beauty Tape Shape Hydrating Foundation from Tarte Cosmetics. I got the hydrating foundation. They do have a mattifying foundation. I just feel like it would suit my skin's needs to get the hydration foundation. So that is the one that I went with. I purchased this from Ulta for $39 and that is around a similar price range as other foundations. I believe I paid $37 or $39 for my Fenty Beauty foundation. So just to kind of give a comparison, I think I paid around $40 for my Estee Lauder Double Wear. So it's around the general price range of a high-end foundation. This foundation comes in 18 different shades. I got the shade Porcelain. This foundation comes with 1.01 fluid ounces, which is the typical amount of foundation that you're gonna get. This is an Ulta exclusive, just like the Shape Tape Concealer, so if you're going around looking around for it, like why can't I find it at Sephora? This is an Ulta exclusive. So the details on the Ulta website, it says that this is a hydrating foundation, provides the same rich, creamy full coverage as Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Contour Concealer. It's a mouthful, and a skin smoothing weightless gel. The collagen and hyaluronic acid packed formula continuously hydrates while helping to plump skin and refine pores without creasing, caking, or fading for 12 hours. It is oil-free, it is hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, and has Tarte 12-hour power. I won't be doing a 12-hour test today. I'm just going to be focusing on the first impressions and what I think, and I'll see how long I can leave it on for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and prime my foundation. For first impressions, for foundations, I like to prime my skin because I'm never not going to prime my skin, so why would I not prime it to see if a foundation's going to wear? I don't care if it's the best foundation in the world, I'm still going to wear a primer just to know that I have the assurance that my foundation will stay on, but I am going to be using a primer I know and trust, so it's not going to affect the finish or the wear of the foundation. I'm going to go in with my J1 Jelly Pack and apply a light layer of this over the face before we go in with application. So I'm going to go ahead and give a little bit of description and information about the packaging. It is very nice. It comes in a frosted glass bottle. I love frosted glass. I think it looks so elegant. The applicator I think is really cool. It has a big doe foot applicator. Quite a bit of product comes out on the applicator, but I'm just gonna do, I don't know, just a little. So far the formula seems actually very creamy. It's not very thick, kind of resembles the concealer. Now I'm gonna use a beauty blender on one side of my face and a brush on the other, so I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty blender and we're gonna blend it out. Some foundations may work better with sponges and some may work better with brushes, or they may be just the same. Okay, so no complaints as far as the side of the beauty blender. It all applied very evenly. For the brush side, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M439 buffer brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just use stippling motions to blend that in. I see that I have a lighter amount of coverage on the side where I blended in the brush. That's what I'm seeing so far. I'll go in and apply a little bit more on each side, but as far as the brush, I feel like it kind of took away the coverage. I'm gonna go blend this side in with the beauty blender and then go back with the brush on this side, and I will be right back. So I blended out the foundation. I am definitely a fan of the blending out with the beauty blender thing. The brush I feel took a little bit of coverage away, so I think I'm going to go over the side where I blended in the brush and just go over the skin with my beauty blender just to add a little bit more coverage. So I'm back. I finished applying my foundation and I'm very impressed. I actually used the Tarte concealer with it, and I feel like the two blended together and melted together wonderfully. I wear that concealer every day pretty much, so it's good that if I end up liking this foundation, they'll work together so well. It really looks nice. I didn't have any issues with blending on another layer. It builds up very well, so you can get the coverage that you like. I do feel that a beauty blender is the best way to go compared to a brush. It does look very luminous. I love the hydration. It really makes your skin look healthy and glowy. And if you have dry skin, you know it can make your skin look dull, and this is going to help take away some of that dullness and actually give life and luminosity to your face. But so far, I'm really impressed. I am pretty impressed with this foundation. It's only been 2.5 hours, but I really like the wear on it. It still looks very luminous. It didn't overhydrate my skin, which is really nice because that is what can make you look oily, but it gave me the necessary hydration that I needed, but didn't overhydrate at the same time, which is, like I said, very nice. So far, this is a great foundation. I would definitely recommend it. I know there's a big controversy and a big scandal about the shades. I do believe Tarte is coming out with more shades, so that is fine. I guess it would have been more convenient if there would have been more shades released at the time, but honestly, they're going to be releasing more shades, so I feel that, hey, they're going to be releasing more shades. It's going to be fine. They're at least coming out with more shades for everyone to wear. So this is a great foundation. The coverage is great. It blends beautifully. It looks very luminous. It hydrates the skin without overhydrating it. It's a good foundation. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this first impressions and review. I thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. Make sure you click the subscribe button. We're almost to 300 subscribers. It would make my day. And you can also keep up to date on all the videos I'm uploading here on my channel. I love you guys so much, and Jesus loves you with all his heart. Have a fantastic day, and I will speak with you in the next video. Bye, guys.